Okay, here we go. Day one of the 2022 Detroit River shore fishing for walleye. Kind of early yet, but we're gonna give it hell. So you don't see that every day on the bridge. I don't know what's going on, but there's about 5 or 6 emergency vehicles. Here comes another one. Kind of weird. Some construction going on up there too, so I don't know, someone got hurt. Anyhow, we're down here early in the season yet. Kind of figured we wouldn't catch anything, but you never know. So, got my brother right there, and then Joel is down right there somewhere. Just give it a shot for a bit and see what happens. Rainy, foggy. All right, first boat of the day. Really surprised. Even though you'd have to be an idiot to come out in the dark, not knowing with the ice flow if it's gonna happen or not, so. Really surprised though, that's the only boat I've seen so far. All right, so we're out here, day number 2. There's Joel. My brother's walking down. He's going down the river a bit. Got skunked yesterday, got wet. So, we'll see. I know there's some in here. Let's give it hell again. Ain't no walleye. Detroit River mud puppy delight.
Look at that freaking.
He gone.
I was like, oh man, I got one. Friday. Oh.
4 hours. No walleye. And a nasty old mud puppy. Unbelievable. Nice day though.
you go.
You got what? You got you one of them maxi pads?
Something like that.
Yeah. All right, so we're back home. Anyhow, I don't think I got anything on video, but I had a real nice fish, big female on, and I'm a little bummed out about this jig here. The concept is great. Didn't have this one. I had that one right there on with the Pimp Daddy. Hooked it, had it on for about 15 seconds, and that straightened out on me, let loose. So I think I'm going to cut all those hooks off, replace them with a little split ring, see if I can do that, and try to fix that problem, because I really like these. They're narrow, very narrow compared to those. So I don't know, really bummed out. 4 hours down there, and our brother got a mud puppy, and I had one fish. Should have been in. So guess it happens. Next weekend should be pretty good, so we'll give it a shot. Hopefully we can get into some fish.